Slovenian Digital Center is a center for representing technological green digital industry and projects to the wider European environment.
At the Ministry of Economic Development and Technology, we would like to take advantage of the Slovenian presidency to the European Council to promote the most innovative part of Slovenian economy, which embodies the twin transition to green and digital economy of the future. Our goal is to enhance our SMEs and encourage them to go abroad and take part in the international markets.
Presentation of companies will take place in 6 monthly topics. Slovenian Digital Center enables both companies and individuals to further develop their digital competences, and companies especially for their presentation of innovative solutions.
As a partner of Slovenian Digital Center, Spirit Slovenia will organize various economic delegation and events at which Slovenian companies will be able to establish business contacts with foreign companies, exchange knowledge and experience, and take advantage of new business opportunities.
By placing the Digital Center in BTC City's innovative ecosystem, we would like to contribute to wider recognition and as well as adoption of new technologies and solutions to raise the quality of our lives. Looking forward to all the networking and as well as strategic partnerships with the common goal to upgrade the innovation potential in our whole society.
Slovenian Digital Center. Technology for the people.